It's still moving. It's still alive.
Some people's greatest fear is someone else's favorite snack. Eating tarantulas is just one thing that has drawn me to Venezuela's Amazon rainforest. It's a forgotten landscape that hides a sacred mountain that few people ever get to see, with rituals using psychoactive plants that few outsiders get to witness. And indigenous communities who are fighting to preserve their culture and defend their environment from mining and deforestation. Follow me on a riverboat trip into the Venezuelan Amazon.